Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your PayPal account on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your PayPal account, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address paypal.com, and after that hit on enter. And on the next step you will be directed to the home page of PayPal over here. Now in order to log into your PayPal account from over here guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available for us. Click on that login button, and over here guys you'll be directed to the login page of your PayPal account. So in order to sign into your account, first you'll be required to enter your email address over here or your mobile number with which you have signed up for PayPal account. And with that being done guys, click on next, and on the next step you'll be required to either get a code or log in with password. Instead you can do both. I'll be logging in with the password. So guys, you can see over here because I have logged into my PayPal account many times, my computer has saved the auto save my credentials and auto fill it for me. So guys, you'll be required to do the same. After entering your email address on here, on this step, enter your password over here. Now guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve or reset your PayPal account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the login button over here. Simply click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your PayPal account on your computer. And then guys, this is how you log into your PayPal account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.